Hi kabahay, ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng property na located lamang near SM Dasmariñas? This is Pearl Model, available at pre-selling stage. We have few units left before price and fees. Kung ikaw ay interested, meron itong lot area na 150 square meters and 204.83 floor area. Kaya kung ikaw ay interested, check this video. So before we enter kabahay to our unit, please appreciate our parking area. So as you can see, kaya nito mag-accommodate ng dalawang sasakyan. May fence and gate na included sa ating turnover. As you can see, very minimalist at neutral ang ating color dito sa ating Pearl Model. So sa ating frontage, meron tayong doorbell and address dito na naka-emboss. Makikita nyo napakalawak ng ating property. Tara, check natin sa ating loob. So dito sa ating porch area mga kabahay, as you can see, meron tayong non-skid tiles sa ating flooring. Meron tayo ditong dalawang pocket garden. And of course, ito ang ating main door papunta sa ating property. So again mga kabahay, ang ating Pearl Model ay kaya mag-accommodate ng dalawang sasakyan dito sa carport area. As you can see, covered po ang ating parking area. So pwedeng-pwede dito at safe ang inyong mga sasakyan. Meron tayo ditong flooring na made from pebbles. And ito naman ang ating access papunta sa ating service area. So dito sa ating setback area mga kabahay, makikita nyo ang ating flooring. Meron pa rin pebbles na flooring. And then syempre kasama pa rin ang ating fence sa ating turnover. And of course, meron tayong ditong provision for the laundry area. May socket na dyan, water supply. And meron tayong lavatory area. On this area naman ay meron tayong access papunta sa ating lanay area, which is meron tayong sliding door going to your dining kitchen. Tara, check na natin ang loob ng ating Pearl Model. So dito sa ating main door, meron tayong steel door. Siyempre, meron tayo ditong keypad lock. Of course, ito naman ang ating living area. As you can see, napaka-spacious ng living area natin. And meron tayo ditong ceiling na made from PVC. So on this side naman mga kabahay of the property, ito ang provision for your dining area. Meron tayo ditong access papunta sa lanay area. Kaya kung bubuksan nyo ang ating sliding door, well ventilated dito sa dining area. So on this area naman mga kabahay is the kitchen area. So dito sa kitchen area natin ay meron tayong built-in cabinets which is over and under. And also included po sa turnover ang ating cooktop. Mayroong provision for microwave. Meron din tayo ditong double bowl sink. On my left naman mga kabahay is the access going to the service area. And meron tayo ditong one bedroom dito sa ating ground floor. Kung kayo po ay may maid or gusto nyo po ng rooms for elders, pwedeng-pwede sila dito. So meron tayo ditong awning window. May provision din po for aircon and may built-in cabinets tayo dito. And ang good thing, may access to papunta sa ating toilet and bath dito sa ating ground floor. So again mga kabahay, ang ating toilet and bath dito sa ground floor ay through and through. So ito yung isang access at may access to papunta sa bedroom number 1. So on this side naman, makikita nyo meron tayo ditong another set of windows sa may parking area para dagdag ventilation. Ito naman ang ating staircase. Tara, silipin natin. So sa staircase area mga kabahay, ang ating railings ay made of wood and steel. So meron tayo ditong high ceiling, may provision for the chandelier area. Ang ating flooring is made from tiles. So here at the second floor mga kabahay, we have a total of 3 bedrooms. So this is the bedroom number 2. So as you can see sa bedroom number 2, kasya dito ang single size bed. Meron tayo ditong sliding window, provision for window type aircon. And then ito naman ang ating vanity area. Of course, kasama ang floor to ceiling na built-in cabinet sa turnover. So welcome sa bedroom number 3. So same as other bedroom mga kabahay, kasya dito ang double size bed. Meron tayo ditong vanity area. Of course, the provision for aircon and the awning window. May built-in cabinets pa rin. And of course, the access going to our toilet and bath. So ito pong toilet and bath natin is double access po ito papunta sa ating bedroom number 2. Check naman natin ang ating toilet and bath dito sa ating bedroom 2 and 3. Tara, check natin si master's bedroom. So sa master's bedroom mga kabahay, meron tayong own master's toilet and bath. Sa master's toilet and bath mga kabahay, makikita nyo complete pictures ito. May shower enclosure, lavatory, and of course, kasama pa rin ang ating bathtub. Tara, explore pa natin ang ating master's bedroom. So sa master's bedroom, makikita nyo mga kabahay, dito ang bed area natin. Kasya dito up to queen size bed. Meron tayo ditong accent for your ceiling which is PVC type. Meron tayong additional fixed window for the natural lighting. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating built-in cabinets dito sa ating master's bedroom, which is floor to ceiling ang height, the vanity area, and ang access natin papunta sa ating balcony. Tara, check na natin si balcony area. So makikita nyo dito sa balcony area natin, maluwag dito, and pwede kayo maglagay ng side tables para kung gusto nyo mag-coffee, pwede kayo dito, and makikita nyo ang overlooking dito ng village at napakatahimik ng inyong community. Nagustuhan mo ba kabahay ang ating property? Well, this is Pearl Model. Again, available lamang ito at pre-selling stage. This is just a model house. Kaya kung ikaw ay interested, book your trippings at 0916-518-4710. This is amounting to 10.3 million only and 100,000 pesos to reserve this property. Please send us a message now. Thank you for watching mga kabahay.